Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing the ultimate spring cleaning guide for you. So for me, spring cleaning is things that I don't do regularly. It doesn't mean I only do it once a year, but it's things I don't do regularly, and some things are just forgotten. So we always remember to vacuum, we always remember to do the dishes, but do we always remember to do some of the more obscure things? So here's my ultimate list of things that I do to freshen up the house for spring. I don't know, it just feels so good to get the house cleaner. I think after winter we've just been cooped up in the house for so long that the house just gets lived in. And so we just need to give it a fresh lift and get everything all cleaned up. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoy this video, and make sure you're subscribed if you want to join and follow along with us. And we're just gonna get right into it, and hopefully the kids cooperate as much as possible. Cleaning with kids is a whole trick in itself. Whenever I start a cleaning project or I'm really ready to get down to business, I love to get the house smelling good. It just motivates me, so whether it's a candle or letting some essential oils into the air, I just really love making the house smell good. This essential oil diffuser specifically is from a company called Pilgrim, and I really wanted to share it with you guys because this product is pretty amazing. And I have tried a lot of diffusers, and let me tell you, they are not all made equally. You could see when I was putting it together that it has like a pipe that takes the mist right to the top of the diffuser, and it is so powerful. Look how much mist is coming out of there, and immediately the house is already smelling incredible. The top white part is actually glass ceramic, so it's such high quality. It feels heavy duty, and guys, I'm just loving this, and it really gets me ready to clean the house. So first up on my list is cleaning your windows. That is a huge thing, and I don't know if you can tell, but my 4-year-old is helping, and I figured he can probably film a little bit and be part of this. My favorite cleaner is actually one my sister-in-law got me. It's from Melaleuca, and I will try to link it below for you guys. I had no idea how good my 4-year-old's filming skills were. I just kept asking him, is it on me, Jacob? Is it on me? And he was like, yeah, but it wasn't. And then along with cleaning your windows is your windowsills. Like if you have curtains, you can throw those in the wash depending on what kind of curtains you have. Blinds, if you have blinds, you can go ahead and dust your blinds. And for my cleaning, I use this all-purpose cleaner that I got from Grove. And a microfiber cloth. I think that is the key to everything. Always just stock up on microfiber cloths for all cleaning projects. And I clean the cracks as well. So everything with your windows, just get that all clean. The next big thing is going around your house and finding all the marks, scuffs, splattered food, and pencil marks that your kids leave behind. So I'll actually use like a all-purpose cleaner and a washcloth at the beginning, but things that won't come off, like this pen that my artist left behind, I use a magic eraser. And I have to tell you guys, I use these sparingly because they do wear down your paint and gloss on any paint surfaces. So the next thing on my list is dusting light fixtures, and this is for some reason so gratifying, just seeing all the dust that gets collected up there, and you just don't think about it all the time. And then I always have to go over to my ceiling fans. My mom gives me such a hard time when she comes over if my ceiling fans are dirty. So Mom, this one's for you. Make sure you get those ceiling fans cleaned up. So next up is a deep clean for our appliances. I like this stainless steel cleaner from Wyman. It's not natural or whatever, but it does get the job done really well. It conditions the stainless steel, and I just like it. Make sure when you use these products, again, you use a microfiber cloth and you go with the grain of the stainless steel. So if you look at your fridge or your ovens or whatever, there will be a grain. So make sure you follow the grain, and that just keeps everything really smooth looking. And then we have like hard water at our house, so this little water dispenser, calcium collects and stuff, so I just make sure I wipe that down pretty good. Once the outside of the fridge is done, then I move on to the inside. And I actually do this pretty often, but it's good to do it really deep and just take everything out. You sometimes find leftovers that you didn't remember were in there, and sometimes you find expired things. So this is a good opportunity to wipe everything down and just freshen up your fridge. And then basically I do the same thing in my pantry, find expired things, wipe down the shelves. I find kids like dirty fingerprints from eating food and then climbing to find more food. And then don't forget to do the rest of your appliances. You have your dishwasher and your oven, and get those all ready and clean so everything is spotless. Okay, this next one I'm actually really embarrassed to show you guys. But this is the first time I've changed the filter since we moved into our house, and oh my gosh, it's bad. So go around, change your filters, and keep your air fresh. Okay, so this isn't as much as like, okay, make sure you're spring cleaning, but I am getting ready for spring. We're going to be using our garage and our bikes and everything a lot more. So after winter, I want to get everything more organized because we're going to be in and out, outside, playing around so much more. So I want to organize the garage really well. And then the other thing I do is, I don't know if you can see in the corner, but I have a collection of things that we're just donating, we need to get rid of. So I go around the house and I kind of add to that pile. And decluttering always feels nice and makes your house feel spring ready. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it gives you some extra motivation to get your house ready.